How to share WhatsApp group link without being the admin. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can share your WhatsApp group link without having to be an admin. So, without any further ado, let's begin. First, what you'll have to do is open up your WhatsApp. After you open your WhatsApp, just go to the group of which you want to share the link of. Now, before I teach you guys the next step, you'll need to make sure that you are on an Android because this step only works on Android. Now here, what you need to do is tap on the group's name. Now let me show you if I am the admin or not. As you can see, I'm not the admin. Now here, what you'll need to do is just tap on add members or you'll directly get an invite link. Now simply tap on invite link and copy the link. After you do that, you can simply share the WhatsApp group link and you can invite others from that group link as well. So that is basically how you share your WhatsApp group link without being the admin. And that is all for this video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.